Add song in WhatsApp status. Adding song on your WhatsApp status helps you to convey your emotions to other and update people about what you may feel at the moment. So how you can do it. Unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't have the option of adding a song on your status, but what you can do is use another app to add song on your status. So for example, let's say I'm gonna use Instagram. Here on Instagram, swipe to the left side. Let's say I am clicking a video and you may add song to that video. You can see a bunch of songs that you may just add. I'm gonna use this song. This video is gonna be a 30-second one, or you may just choose the media that you already have in your phone. That may be about 30 to 60 seconds, and you can add music accordingly to the time of that video. And after that, add the song on it. You may just choose lyrics if you want. After doing that, adding the music, you may just tap on done and save the music and go back to your WhatsApp. And here on update status, you may just tap on the plus icon and choose the media that you just downloaded on your device and tap on done and post it by clicking on the screen button, and your status will be available to other people. In that way, you can add song in your status in WhatsApp. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.